A judge ordered federal agents in Chicago to restrain their use of force in the ongoing immigration enforcement crackdown. That courtroom decision coming 24 hours after a different judge ordered improved conditions at the ICE facility in Broadview. Our Victor Jacobo has new reaction from the control room as this week marks 2 months since the start of Operation Midway Blitz. Victor.
Yeah, Erica, that's right. And in that time, people have alleged abuse by both ICE and Customs and Border Patrol, both at the facility in Broadview and across residential neighborhoods in Chicago. Now, judges are trying to be a legal check to those agents. For the first time today,
I believe that all uses of force that I've seen and all arrests that I've seen have been more than exemplary.
We're getting a look at a deposition by Customs and Border Patrol Commander Gregory Bovino, who defends his agency's use of force over the course of Operation Midway Blitz.
We were met with a very, very violent and angry mob of individuals,
including an incident in Little Village where he is seen tossing a tear gas canister to disperse a crowd. U.S. District Judge Sarah Ellis described evidence presented by the Trump administration as not credible and ordered the feds to restrain their use of force unless it's necessary to stop an immediate threat or physical harm to another. That followed a different order from a separate judge Wednesday for ICE to improve conditions at its facility in Broadview.
We are going to have eyes on the ground.
Fred Sau with the Illinois Coalition for Immigrant and Refugee Rights praised the judge's decisions, but remains skeptical of compliance by ICE and CBP.
We're just going to have to see how this plays out. And, I think there may be some challenges to, how do we verify that they are implementing the changes?
The follow-up is important for one reason. Both judges found that the government's witnesses were not credible.
In both cases, CBS News Chicago legal analyst Irv Miller says ICE and CBP have deadlines to submit evidence they are complying with orders.
These are now checkpoints that a judge could look at to make sure that these orders are being followed in both cases.
You'll be arrested for impeding.
Miller says the legal battles are far from over.
The bottom line, there's no end in sight.
A spokesperson for the Department of Homeland Security sent a statement reacting to the order by Judge Ellis, calling it a, quote, extreme act by an activist judge that risks the lives and livelihoods of law enforcement officers. The DHS says that they will appeal that order. Live in the control room, Victor Jacobo, CBS News, Chicago.
Thank you, Victor.